cayenne pepper, paprika, ooh, that's hot. I'm telling you. And of course, got my tapatio. Yes, sir. Tina's are my favorite frozen burritos. I grew up with these. You could get the big ones like these, or you get the regular size one. Love them. And the red hot is one of my favorites. This one is my really number one favorite. Got my ice cold water. Move that to the side. Oh man. Save the best for last. guys, I want you to go and try out Tino's Burritos. You can get them, I guess, any store. Go to the burrito section or the frozen section. See Tino's. Try them and let me know how you like them. I recommend red hot, green chili, spicy bean and cheese. Oh, that's a second favorite of mine. Pizza, they got a lot. I love it. I could eat these every day. Just add a salad to it every day. Then, yeah. Gotta get some greens in you somehow. Got some ranch too. Ooh. Do you guys dip your ranch in dip your burritos in your ranch? I do. It's good. I should have got some ranch. Got the ketchup. Best burritos in town. Well, not in town, in the world, in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite frozen burritos. Mine's Tina's. Oh man. Ooh, that hot. Oh, I'm sweating. Sorry about that. I'm sweating. I'll make sure I get all this. Do you guys do that? Like when you get like a little bit of your whatever you eating and you got like a lot, you just make sure you get all the sauce, you know? Do you guys do that? Make sure you get all the sauce. We'll do the same thing with this. Make sure I get the rest of this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's good. That's good eating right there. Served up a little bit of cayenne pepper. That was my lunch. Whew. I love Tina's. I am hot. Whew. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for everyone for all your support. Thank you. And I'm writing down some suggestions that you guys give me. So far I got the saying sound young, not sound young, but I got the 2 times hot spicy noodles that I want to do. I wrote that down, and someone want me to do sushi. I love sushi, so I'm gonna do that too. I don't know when I'm gonna do that because I'm not working and stuff, so it's kind of hard. But once I start working again, when all this shit blows over, oh yeah, you better believe I'm gonna start putting out awesome food videos, or mukbangs I should say. But till then, I just gotta, yeah, it sucks right now. We'll see what happens. I go back to work next month, hopefully, unless something change, and then, yeah, but I want to do better videos for you guys, because you guys deserve it. Yeah, but it seems like you guys enjoy these videos too, so thank you for that. But better content coming, I promise you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you. I'm your host, JX125. Thank you for 431 subscribers. Road to 500.